What's up, guys? You ready? Oh, yeah. Excitement level rising. What's up, dude? I'm good, man. How are you? You ready to rip it today? I love this place. Here, come on, get a good one. Hang on, let's back it up. And we're gonna do it again so we can get it on video. Ready? There you go. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. What's up, guys? All right, go time. 7 months off. Ready to get back between the tape. All right, stage one. Let's see what happens. Woo! All right, we rolling in. We got to catch this guy right here. Not bad, not bad. I'll take that. Now trying to straight line it over these guys. Right here, straight line. Good. Picking up some speed. All right, here it is. First test. I'm gonna try and get back left, okay. All right, I'm liking it. There we go. I'm gonna go up a gear, blast through. All right, let's get this climb. First one, second one. Oh, let's go back up a gear. Feeling pretty good. It's a little tricky right here. A little climb. Keep the heart rate under control. Oh man, it's been a long time. All right, here we go. Let's drop her in. Line it up. I'll take it. Not bad. Could have been faster, but whoo. All right, stage one complete. Little rough, little cobwebs, shakeout. Now it's time for two. But you can't override this one. You got to stay loose and flow and have some fun. Look ahead. All right, here we go. We're in. I'm gonna grab 2 gears, and I'm just trying to go easy. A little left, right here, lean into the right, back to the left, foot came out, but it's okay, stay left. Get set up here. Oh, now we're gonna, there you go, that's a little tricky line, but now we're back. Now I'm gonna try to open up a little bit, flow here, so it's gonna get tricky. So watch this. We're gonna drop down. This is fun. Into this chute. Gotta keep it back left. Oh yeah. Check this switchback. Woo! In. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Nice. Oh yeah, I'll take it. Could have been faster, but it was smooth. That's all I care about. All right, let's do it. Stage 3. This is a long one. All right, we're off. I'm gonna grab a couple gears, pick up a little speed. All right, so here, manage it, lean it over. Not bad. Now, it's just pedal. Saddles up, cross-country style. Just trying to manage it. So we had a couple chundery sections. Here's one. try and float, sweep, bounce through. All right, good. I'm okay with that. Try to get back on the hammer. Can't overcook it, good. Almost to the end, I think. All right. Awesome. Oh yeah. Love it. All right, time to rip stage 4. This is a fun one right here. This one, you get in the power up top and really lay it down, and then it just gets loose, over loose, over loose, over hard. So then you got to manage it through some fast switchbacks. And in the end, I forgot about the end. The end is rad. It's a sweeping right. Keep outside, man. Use that outside line and just rip it through a little creek at the end. It's killer. All right, let's do it. All right, so I got the seat up. I grab another gear. Another gear. I'm cranking pretty hard right now. Out of the saddle. I'm gonna roll in. All right, here's where it turns left. Loose. Watch out, bud. Racer's coming. Racer's coming. Racer's coming. Man, so chunky. All right, we got through that. Now, watch this. Left-hander. All right, now, this is the end. All right, dude, see you down there. All right, stage 5. All right, you just get out of cranking hard, seat up, and just be smooth. A couple little switchbacks. So smooth right here. Picking up some speed, flow through to the right. Good. Back on the power. Tuck in, pretty good. Now rolling left-hander. I'm gonna stay way left. Watch this. We'll come in, through this, sweep, foot out. I didn't want to do that, but it's not the worst thing. Just cranking. A little choppy. This is fun. Oh yeah, get up high, through the turn, and crank. Woo! Oh man, I'll take that. Pretty good, pretty good. Man, this is tough stuff. Time to drop in to stage 7. What's happening, guys? How's it going? It's all right. My legs aren't happy with me, but whew. What's up, boys? All right, dude. All right, we drop in. Legs are wrecked. So this is speed. Carry it. We're gonna pump and flow. Pump and flow. We're flowing. We're pumping. Little switch back here. Back on, hard right up here. Not hard, but decent. That'll work, that'll work. Now we're out of the saddle. We're pedaling. Still have some legs left. Gonna go left up here. Pretty fun section. All right, so we're gonna shoot left. All right, not what I wanted. Oh, hey guys. Woo! Well, it'll have to do. That'll have to do. I'm all right. My legs hurt. 7 stages, done. We're gonna rest up, hit it again.